Here we go, guys. Just a real quick video on alt season. Have they flipped the switch or getting ready to take off, or it's just a little, pump to the upside since we've been pretty much oversold on a lot of coins lately. But let's jump in the charts and take a quick look. Now, a number of days ago, matter of fact, going back to last weekend, we were talking about either we were going to, pump to the upside, break out of this wedge formation, or break to the downside, okay? And right when that candle formed, this is a 4-hour chart, by the way, and it's total three. It kicks out Bitcoin, it kicks out Ethereum. So mainly you have, I believe it's the top 123 altcoins by market cap, okay? Not necessarily the best coins in the world or the worst coins. It's just all based on market cap, okay? But anyway, broke down out of that wedge formation, came back up, tested our 20, has some consolidation here, and then broke out. So you can go back to your coin. Let me see when that was exactly here. Okay, on Wednesday, yesterday, evening is when this thing started breaking out again. And what you could do, just to compare apples to apples, to see if your coin is getting some love as well, okay? Because money is coming in. And as soon as we get back into this gray box here, we should be able to see some consolidation, then maybe possibly a breakout, over this little resistance zone up there. But real quick, let me take you back in history. And if you know the charts, know how to read this stuff, you can pick out, the breakouts, the breakdowns yourself. And when alt season actually started, okay? Because a lot of people this week saying, well, alt season's soon, alt season's off, so on and so forth. But seriously, for this halving cycle, alt season literally started back in mid-October 2023. Okay, see the two blue arrows here? So our members rode this thing all the way up. Of course, we had a pullback. Bitcoin was pulling back, so on and so forth. Came down back into the 200. And then 1st of November, if you go back to your altcoins that you've been keeping for a while, you can see the same chart, pretty much the same chart, formations here. And then we had a big breakout. Came out to the previous all-time high going back to December of 2017, and then here we are now, okay? And a lot of people don't realize it, but when you come up to when you make an all-time high, pull back, consolidate everything like the total three market cap is done, then you come back up into that all-time high. 70% of the time you'll fail. You have to come back, do all that process again, and then try to break through. And that's, what hopefully, soon, let me take all this off, near term we'll be able to do. Now this is the weekly candle. Every candle here is, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week. And this bottoming tail, we really like that, but we'll have to wait and see till Sunday because, we still have 3 days to go. So, we're not going to FOMO into this. We're going to wait to see if we can close, above all this sideways consolidation through here. See right there, all this kind of closed right around, or open and closed right around the same amount of market cap here. So we want to take that out, and the bigger we can push up, the better that is to do that. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching. If you want to learn more about this and how to do this and what coins our group are watching, getting in, and we're able to look at the charts and be able, leave FOMO to the side, because when, an alert comes out or we read about a coin or whatever, depending on what methodology we're using to get in, we don't go to, a lot of people get excited about a coin, and the first thing they do is open up their exchange and put money in it and buy the coin, okay? That's the wrong, that 99% of the time you're going to get, toasted on that. What you need to do is first, you hear about it, sounds pretty good, goes with stocks as well. Then go to your chart, open it up, and let's just pick one of these out here, okay? pick one of these up that are running. Let me see. Let me pick one out for you guys. It's doing kind of the talk of the town. Here we go. All right, now, here's a chart, daily chart. Every candle is 1 day of price action. Today, Thursday, the 30th, we're getting a lot of, momentum here, buy action on JASMY, okay? And okay, that looks like we're breaking out, looking great, but if you know what to do on the charts, see, we have all this resistance here that was previous support that's is coming up to then this down trend line. Okay, so we teach our members. I'm not going to tell you everything because they're paying for it, but anyway, we kind of zero down, kind of like taking a microscope and looking at something a little closer, a little closer, a little closer. So we start going to smaller time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, maybe even a 15 minute, and trying to find. There's three things. If you can do this, there's no stopping you how much money you can make in the stock market, crypto market, or whatever. If you can do this on a chart, this is what separates, the 95% of the people that lose money in altcoins and versus, the small percentage that make money. If you can find a location, three simple things: an event candle, and then set up your stop loss because that's your risk unit. You got to protect yourself. You just can't go in there. You don't get in your car and drive, without your kids having a seatbelt on, so on and so forth. So that's the three things. That's what we teach. That's the foundations, the building blocks of building your portfolio. But anyway, I could rant about this. I love this stuff. I could rant about it all day long. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the charts.